In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto via Uniswap. First, make sure you have access to the Uniswap Wallet app or the Uniswap web app with a connected wallet. Uniswap's official support says you can buy crypto through multiple third-party providers, and the exact payment options can vary depending on your country or region. Supported methods may include bank cards like Visa, Mastercard, or Maestro. If you're using the Uniswap wallet, tap the Buy button, choose the token you want to purchase, enter the amount, then continue to see the available providers. After that, review the rate, fees, and payment details before confirming the purchase. If you're using the Uniswap web app, open the app, connect your wallet, select Buy, choose your region, then pick the token and amount you want to purchase. Uniswap will show available providers for your location, and you can continue with the one that works best for you. Before you confirm, always double-check the token, network, total cost, and wallet address. In some cases, the payment provider may also ask for identity verification, depending on your region and payment method. Once the payment is completed, the crypto will be sent to your connected wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.